And okay, well, yes, I am getting connected, and now I need to go live. Oh, I just said uh, go live, and this should do it. And in here, what about in here? Does this work? Yeah, it does. Now I have to check what about the dropping. Dropping, does it like drop or something? How is it the sound? And wow, the category is public. Uh, I need this, I need this, I need this, and I need this, and I need this, and category is education. Upload thumbnail. This should be the PUVXD YouTube and this, and save. I okay. Keyframe rate are too low. Okay. Hmm. So it seems like I cannot do multi-stream from Streamlabs. Uh, hmm, okay, because stream video bitrate, frame rate 32 kbps. I am getting okay. What I can do is I can make sure that they are not connected anymore. So open up Xfinity. Mm, 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 mm. Pause device, pausing. M21, pause device, pausing. Mm, pausing. Mm, mm, pausing. Okay, so I feel like this should do the trick. Now, you guys, like my people would not be able to, but I will call Ma just so to confirm uh, that they are getting received. मैंने तुम लोगों का वाईफाई अभी पॉज कर दिया है तो तुम लोग यूज़ नहीं कर सकते तो अपने मोबाइल का डेटा यूज़ कर लेना पापा को भी बोल देना ओके हाँ ओके ओके so I hope this is working out well error keyframe you can see for 4 second currently keyframe are not being sent enough the current keyframe is okay so stream health let's just see poor I am getting a poor stream health so I think I should um, actually stop the stream and check. It was around 2:20 p.m. So let's just because I'm opening this up in two different places. Let's just close this so it doesn't take uh, too much of time. Uh, okay, so this is good. Um, Facebook is good. Uh, what about this? It was two. Okay, so if I just pop this chat out, and I just close this and check if the stream health is okay. Let's just see. News, notifications, everything seems good to me. Okay, I do like to check it on my mobile. Mm, let's just open YouTube app and see if they have anything. Uh, uh, okay. Subscriptions. Rogue UXE is live. How it's going on? Hey, um, let's just check if it's working or not. I am checking stuff out, guys, so don't worry. Yes, this is working. So I have multi-screen chat. I can see the chat. Good. That is what one thing I wanted to check. What about Facebook? Where's Facebook, man? Facebook. Search OGXD. It's live. Okay. Okay. OGXD live. Hey. Oh. Hey, man. Well, see, this is great. I am seeing uh both chats in my window, so that is good. And I would like to close this out, so close. All good. So I believe this thing is working well, pretty well. It isn't taking too much of amount of resources, is it? I have to check that out as well. CPU usage is around 60%. Um, that's still okay. Um, for me, I can close out bunch of stuff that I really don't need. I can close this guy out because I don't need it. I can close this guy out, this guy out, this guy out, leave, and this guy out, so it doesn't take too much space. Gmail as well. So I hope it creates uh, more space for the CPU. I have to check though. I do have to. I would like to open this up. I don't know if. Oh, so you guys are not hearing any music, so let's just play some music. Chill, let's play it, man. And pop this out so I can like go editor in here. Okay. I hope you are getting a good amount of. So, well, this is still at low percentage. Uh, I have. Okay, got it. And well, I don't really need it because I have it over here, so all good. um what about this? I do need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this, and I don't need this as well. Okay, and what about any other software that's been working? I think it's good so far. Now I really want to see. So I'll be looking over for any chat. So yeah, so what I wanted to show you guys is this is another website that I wanted to check out for Fandango. So let's just get started. As I am doing a UI redesign challenge in here, let's just like ignore this, dismiss. Okay, so I am doing UI design challenge for Fandango. Why Fandango? I just came across it and I have used it for a while, like 2-3 times to book tickets, and I thought it really needs some like adjustments to redesign it. So we will be doing that. Like I will be doing it, you guys will be seeing it. And so for how this process is going to work out is it's like this. So I have this Notion app over here. I will be taking notes of this whole thing, and I have this Figma. Okay, I don't need this. I have this Figma file for Fandango. Um, so well, we will be. Let's just add a page. In page one, so I will, let's name it. So understanding or heuristic evaluation. So uh, to the people who are new to this term, heuristic evaluation, it basically is how this website, this product, or is is like it has a 10 principle that basically applies to every product out there. And yeah, so these 10 principles are I have opened, so I really don't remember them like by heart, but that's why I keep these open. So this is Jacob's 10 usability heuristics. So as you can see, it is like a visibility of system status. Basically, what does this mean is let's just say if you are like doing something, and like if a web page is loading up, right? So the user doesn't need to guess what is happening. User user doesn't need to think about it. The design should reflect its own like. So let's just open up any page. Let's just say Amazon. I don't know if how it will look. So as you can see, it is like so the whole thing. I have a fast internet speed connection, but so whenever like there's a you see it's loading up, sometimes you would see this boxes with gray background and with a little animations on it. That's called a loading state or lazy load for the people who doesn't know it. So that's a visibility of system status, that it is still loading, so the user knows that it will load up eventually, right? So as it says, design should keep users informed about what is going on through appropriate timely feedback. That is all the first heuristic evaluation means. So it has an example here. Interactive mall maps have to show people where they currently are to help them understand where to go next. So as if you are on first floor, second floor, ground floor, whichever floor you are, they would just tell you like, okay, you are like, they would have like a big display screen where they say that this is where you are, and you can find your way over to this floor from here, that floor from there. I guess that this makes sense. uh yeah. The second thing is match between system and the real world. So what does is it means is like the design should speak the user's language, use words, phrases, and concepts familiar to the user rather than internal jargon. What does this means is like, rather than showing okay, error code 1009CX, user doesn't know what the heck that is, right? But instead, okay, you have entered the wrong password, or the username or the password, either of them are incorrect while logging in. Now the user know that where is the problem. Or sometimes there are like captchas where you have to like click that I am not a robot, right? So you if you put that uh, correct username, correct password, but the captcha was not uh, taken down, so they would just say, instead of saying that there is a problem, that should say like, you captcha is required or similar to that. I'm not a UX writer, so I am not suitable to write exact phrases, to be honest. But yeah, that's, I get, you get the gist of it. So this example is like users can quickly understand which stove top control maps to each heating element. So as let me just zoom in. I hope this. Oh, well, how it doesn't pan best space. So as you can see in this image and this icon, so it is easily understandable. So like, this is working for this one, this is working for that one, this is working for that one. That is what it actually trying to convey. Third thing is user control and freedom. uh, Basically what it means is like, they should have a cancel button whenever they feel like they are not doing, they did a mistake or something like that. So user often perform action by mistakes. They need a clearly marked emergency exit to leave the unwanted action. Simply, uh, uh, everyone should know, like, uh, there are exit doors in every mall that have like clear red signs on it. So we know that, okay, if there's some emergency, we can go from here and exit this building, right? So that's the user control and freedom heuristic. Fourth one is consistency and standards. um so what does it say is like, users should not have to wonder whether different words, situations, or actions mean the same thing. Follow platform conventions. Like, check-in counters are usually located in front of hotels, which meets the expectations. So what it really trying to say is, like, um, if you are having a home page, example, I'm trying to give an example or an analogy. So let's just, I am at a home page, right? And I should, and if I'm going somewhere, let's just say, let's just click a link, let's just click a movies links. Okay, I'm here, right? uh, Now, for some reason, I need to sign in, or like do, I have to go back, right? So with this back button, right, I can go back. It is pretty clear to me that this is a button that can help me go back. um, if this button was not here, or it has like a different symbol on it, or something else, that would like completely ruin its meaning. You Any user would not be able to understand it. So they would have to so usually, almost all the users are um, known to the back buttons. But what about those, so I heard like a billion people are are going, I believe, going online for the first time. It's by Google or some internet overall data between 2014 and say online globally around, uh, so there's this, people will be going, so there's this news where it says that there will be a billion new people would be going online by Google. I am not sure. Oh, it's big. That's right. Google.com, billion people online. more than 5 people will now use the internet. So basically, like the one more, uh, around 64.4% of people are using the online people new. So I was reading at this article. Okay, Google's next billion users. So yeah, this is what I was looking at. So this next billion users. So this is every week millions of people come online for the first time. That's what I was trying to convey is. So what a designer has to think about is, like, they really don't know that thing this thing over here in my cursor is a back button. So we have to think about them as a product designers to the people who will be going to use our products, right? So yeah, so consistency and standards, that this is all it means is like having keeping in mind that there will be people who will be using this application or this product for the first time, and they really don't know what to do. Sometimes I hope millennials would uh, may have experienced like teaching to their parents or someone elderly or their grandparents something, and they are trying to express that, like it is really basic for them, but for the millennials, but to the people who are like really old and who are just getting started, it is really a new concept, and you have to make sure that your design um, is your design is made by keeping those people in mind. So yeah, consistency and standards. So as in anyone who goes in hotel, I believe almost everyone must have an experience going hotel, or if not, they must have seen a movie or a video of a similar sort. Sure. So moving on to the fifth, error prevention. So good so that's what I was talking about earlier in match and between system and the real world. The same thing, almost the same thing, but more concise and clear. Good error messages are important, but the best design carefully prevent problems from occurring in the first place. So what this heuristic is trying to say is, as it has this example is like guardrails on curvy mountain roads prevent drivers from falling off cliffs. So I hope I can zoom in. Yeah, so everyone must have seen this road rails, right? So these help drivers to not get off the road and fall off the cliff. So this is all it's trying to say is like error prevention. Like, you know that when you are designing, you have to keep in mind that you are trying to prevent as many errors as possible. But still, error messages are good, as it says. Good error messages are important, but the best designs carefully prevent problems from occurring in the first place. So that's all you have to make sure that. So there is like clear and concise meaning about um, the whatever field you are trying to put in, so they can recognize it very well. The sixth is recognition rather than recall. So minimize the user's memory load by making elements, actions, and options visible. Avoid making users remember information. So um, people are likely to correctly answer, is Lisbon the capital of Portugal? So what it's trying to say is like, um, instead of like what is the capital of Portugal, is just making sure that user don't have to remember that, oh, the Lisbon is the capital of Portugal or not. They just give the option like it's a clear yes or no answer, right? So I don't really know. Is Lisbon is what is the capital? Well, let me check. Okay, Portugal capital. Okay. Oh, well, it is. So yeah. So new knowledge for me. So it is really easy for them to recognize rather than recall. That's what it's trying to say. Like recalling Lisbon, if it is capital of Portugal, but mentioning this Lisbon in the question is just like recognizing the capital of Portugal in the question as only, so they don't have to like think about it too much, right? Flexibility. Seventh one is the flexibility and efficiency of use. Shortcuts hidden from novice users may speed up the interaction for the experts. So like I have, as I'm saying, I'm using this uh, Windows for um, like 10 15 years, right? I know how to going from tab to tab, which tab do I go. I know all the shortcuts because I am an expert user. But this is efficiency of use for me. But for the people who are just trying to come up for the first time, they would still have to go it like this, click on this and that. So what is the meaning is like you should make sure that your product has a flexibility or ease of use for the people who are familiar with the product, um, and they know where to go, and for the new people it is easy to get up to the speed. The eighth one is aesthetic and minimalist design. um, how should I describe this? Okay, interfaces should not contain information which is irrelevant. Every extra unit of information is an interface competes with the relevant units of information. uh, well, how should I describe this? Well, I know what it is, but I am trying to give an example where you guys can understand what this really means. What it's trying to say is like, let's just say you for okay, let's just say you are trying to sign up for a website, right? And you are trying to get, all you need is their name, their email, and a password. That's all you need, right? For the website, the website is like just for commenting only, right? You really don't care about their age or anything like that. Let's just say you maybe care about your what gender do they have, but that isn't really important. So when you are when they are making like signing up for your website or your product, right? Instead just asking their name, email, and password, these three things that are most crucial to you, and adding like birthday, gender, where do you live, your city, your country, and etc. These stuff that you really don't really require for your like later use for data analytics or stuff like that. But you really don't need it. Well, you do, but it is not as important as the name, like email and password, right? So every new element is trying to compete with the information that is already. So whenever a user sees like, oh my god, I have to fill this much things out, they would just go like, okay, I'm not going there. They just click the X button. That's all it's trying to say is like, make sure if you require it, um, like when the user is done onboarding on your product, you can always suggest them to update their information and stuff like that. But that you need, but what you need is like the user, the email address and stuff like that. I hope this makes sense. uh, I am trying to find a better uh, example, but I don't know. I am still learning UI UX design, so yeah. uh, the ninth one is recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. Error messages should be expressed in a plain language, no error codes. That I believe I explained this earlier, precisely indicating the problem, and constructively suggesting a solution. So basically, what it's trying to say is, um, oh, it has a great example here. Wrong way signs on the road remind drivers that they are heading in the wrong direction, right? So that way the driver sees like, oh, I am whenever he or she or the driver is going somewhere that's it is not supposed to go, the sign tells them that, oh, this is the wrong direction, and helps them make the correct choice to go to the right direction. Does that make sense? I believe it does. Okay, the 10th point, this is where we are. Help and documentation. It's best if the design doesn't need any additional explanation. However, it may be necessary to provide documentation to help user complete their task. So, like, documentation is really important part of every design. Like, you would have to make sure that you are designing that doesn't your product is doesn't require any documentation, but you still need to provide the documentation, because to the people who are trying to do something, or who are just stuck somewhere, like they are putting in a, like, let's just say I have this website called name check her, I believe, uh, name checker, name ch checker, yeah, this is the website. And so let's just say this website, if you have a clear a good name, right, and you want to know if this name is available on all platforms, so let's just say abcxyzdfg, whatever, right? And I just say it, and it tells me that this username is not available on Facebook, but is available on Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, and stuff like that, right? It is pretty easy to understand. But now let's just say you would want to have a username with dot, or a hyphen, or an underscore. So let's just say my name is Deep, so Deep underscore. So when I press this, it just shows like the red signs, right? Well, it is trying to convey that this particular character, the underscore, is not allowed, right? What about at? It this this is what it does. It just takes back. What about hash? It takes back. What about dollar? What about percentage? So rather than like this, it is still a good design. What it should do is, there's another website that doesn't even do that. I don't remember its name, but instead of it just like, you cannot use special characters here, like a little line just stating no special characters allowed, that I wouldn't just go for this, right? I wouldn't go for the like special characters, right? But if you are like this name checker company, and you are showing that there are username available on, or on this on the different platform or not, you should include this functionality where you can use different should I say special characters, uh, and check the usernames. they they probably have this um, logic built out for checking the domains and a username for different platforms. They could really just do a checkbox or a separate section. Just what would you like to check, and depending on the checkbox, like or depending on, they could just separate it like this. If I would like to do deep underscore, let's just I will just show you on the run command over here. Let me just shift it. So let's just say they would like to do deep underscore UX designer. Well, that's a really lame username, but still. Okay, if I put in this, they could really truncate this part. There are options because I have a bachelor's degrees in engineering, so I know some of the programming languages. So it is really easy to truncate this. So they can show me domain names with this, that they are, which are available if this domain name is available on different .com, .net and stuff like that. And they can also show it like this, if this particular username is available on different platforms or not. That's a really good like design. Like they could have just like separate the whole thing into for all the platforms, while like or what they could do is like separate these, like there's not that many, like as they have separated this in like load more option, they could have 2 lines or maybe 3 lines of domains. I don't need, you would require 3 lines. Having 10 domain names, most popular domain names, is good enough for any username check or domain check. And if you would like, they would just click on load more and it would load more domain names. And besides bottom side, they could have just like this Facebook and all social media. That's what I'm all trying to say. So we are going off topic a lot, but yeah. So it was easy. um, so the help and documentation, I believe the heuristic evaluation is done. The introduction, I will be shifting to the main topic now. So I have this page in Notion, heuristic evaluation of Fandango. So what I have thought of is like I will just do like this is home page, or maybe in bracket I believe URL. Should I do URL? I don't know. Let's just do fandango.com plain slash, okay, right? So this is normal. Like if I would like to do, then maybe this there's this movies in theaters, so I can like decide on how about usability and stuff like that. What about the users? Okay, so I was searching for and more uh, tickets booking services instead of this for competition, and I found this. I Because I am from India, I know this is Book My Show is really popular in India. Everyone uses this. Almost everyone, not everyone, but let's just stick to the topic, right? Yeah. So as you guys can see, really good, really good website. I just open up, they show which is the most popular, like everyone must be interested in Marvel Studios and the Quantumania. um, there's like the section where you can just find out all the movies. There's the snack bar section where they have like all different association gift cards and offers. And this is like if you would like to search besides your city, that's what I believe. I'm not sure, it is showing me the my I would like to have a like a location marker that would show that this the whole thing, the whole movies and stuff like that, it is showing on this particular location basis. That would help me realize that okay, it is showing me the movie suggestions are on my location, right? That would be a great. So uh, nav bar should have a location marker which shows um, the movies, the suggested movies are based on this location. That would help me understand that okay, this is, I am believing this is really based on my location, but having okay, now Grammarly really wants to check my spelling, so that's okay. I really don't care if I have that. Okay, Dina. Okay, so I have the Grammarly Premium, so it does help me um, have better English because, as I said, I'm not any. I don't know if I should remember. Okay, whatever. Yeah. So the navbar is like showing Fandango logo. There should be one location marker like showing like I need if I'm checking this out, it should like this. As you can see, this guy book my show. It really like so yeah. It really shows that okay, this is based on Mumbai location, Indian Mumbai location, right? So that is what I would like to it to have. That would be really easy for me to understand. So now in this navbar there is movies, theaters, movie news, and sign in and or join. So it pretty basic stuff. I like it. Search by city, state, zip, or movie. Well, that is I like this too. Um, in the front, they really show it like win a trip. So this is where call to action comes in, like win a trip to Rome plus offer, use code FASTFAM at checkout. So if I use this code at checkout, I would be able to get something. um, I like the placing in like middle of the screen, but I really don't like having this like clear like white spaces. It really is not making sense to me. I don't know why, but they could have like they could probably have like a hero banner with like multiple um, like carousels or something like that. Okay, now moving on to next section, buy movie tickets. So this guy, I get that this guy is so cluttered. By cluttered I mean if these movies were like this big or like half of the size or just a little like longer like this here, it would be so easy to like recognize. I still like can understand like this is Ant-Man, Creed 3 and all the stuff. I do get it, but this whole section doesn't have like a room for like white space. So I should add navbar, right? Um um by movie section. Okay, so in this very cluttered. I do understand that showing many movies or like showing multiple movies so people can have like they can make really fast decisions, but it is really cluttering on to deciding. And one more thing that I noticed is like the titles are getting like trunculated, very cluttered. um, I really don't understand having this space. Like I know they are heavily working on uh, advertisements, but having this particular space for they are just if there was this, if there was no space of this, hold on. Yeah, so what I was trying to say is, I'm sorry for this. My mom and dad were having some argument. Okay, so um, yeah, so this particular ad, as you can see, this is like a really great big poster. This is a really great big poster, and this is a really great big poster. It all leads to buying this movie. I get that from business standpoint, but overall design is getting more and more cluttered. What um so very cluttered, need space for let's just say banner ads, okay, um um trunculate trunculated titles, um truncated, okay. As you guys see, I don't really know English. Just kidding. Okay, one more thing, um, I feel like is in this section, is this arrow is really not clearly visible. Um, um, Switching movie arrow not visible. The one thing that I really want this to include is like reviews or likes. Um, no movie title includes reviews or likes or stars. I believe if it makes sense. So let's just say I am new. I don't really know well like selfie movies is or like Knock in the Cabin. But based on the likes or the reviews that I see, I can decide, okay, let's just go this movie then if I'm not getting this, right? That's all I am trying to convey this here. This is the gift is about, like this pretty icon. They could really have this as it's showing this small icon like for the fast fam. They could just have stars like 4.5k stars or 4.5 or 3.5k likes, stuff like that. I would show you this example in here. As I was going through, you see, not clear, like this recommended movie section is so clearly visible, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 movies really catching thumbnails with reviews and votes. So they have this votes where like you guys can vote based on if you have booked movie from them. So based on these reasons, I could like, as you can see, this Pathan movie has received more than 300,000 votes. That's insane, right? So yeah, that's all I am talking. And one more thing that I realized is like they have this genre uh, on on the bottom side with like this. This is really helpful for me to understand about the movie. Like if it's like action or thriller, I could probably understand from the trailer, from the thumbnail. But if you see in this Fast and everyone knows Fast and Furious, but if it was someone who doesn't know, let's just say this one, okay? I really don't know what does it say. Where in if I don't have this, I wouldn't even understand. I don't know the language, what language it is. So it's Swati, and this is receiving 8.3 stars. and 10 keyboards, so that is still like really good. And with this I can totally understand like this is an action or drama movie. This is so good, make it tries decision making for the user. Okay, I would like to watch this movie or not. So yeah, I would like to include in, include um, movie genre. Okay, okay. I knew this is the wrong spelling. Okay, yeah. I believe this section is done. Let's just go to features. I like, as I said, features section. Like, I get it that these are like exclusive with as it says exclusive with the Ant-Man and the Wasp like trailers and movies related stuff like that. And I am a Marvel fan as well. Like I like to watch it. I would like to watch this movie, but this this features whole thing. Like this is for Shazam, this is for um, Quantumania, and this is for Creed. So um, I could like watching this. Let's just watch this, okay? So it takes me to a new page. Well, I was hoping it would just open in a like frame box, so I don't have to go back. So this is really bad. Okay, um, taking to a new page. Um, I can read it and I can go back. Need to have to go back once again. Right? What I would like is like this, like plus watch an exclusive interview with the cast. Get your Creed 3 tickets plus watch an well, I really don't get anything about it. Like I really don't know. I haven't watched Creed 3 or 2 or 1 for the uh, for your knowledge, but for me, who would want to know about this Creed 3 movies, I would want something like catchy in here, which would make me decide that if I would like to um, click on this or not. Um, no catchy um, like title, like headline, and um, and excerpt. I believe that's what it's called. But yeah, if there will be a small content stating that this for this interview, like no catch headline and except for the interview, except for the exclusive exclusive um, written on thumbnail. Yeah, so I would like to have something that drives my decision to clicking on this. I just clicked on just to know the how the mechanics works, and if I would like, what I would like to have is it would be better if these guys is like this is like really big, right? If these guys were like using um like a clear big headlines and stuff like that, so we would have to redesign this stuff. Okay, let's just compare it with this one. Okay, what about this? So this is what I like. You see, clear use of space, and this is like really an ad banner space. Book my show, you have really done a good job. um okay, so yeah, so I would be I would be checking a different movie booking option besides from Book My Show. Oh, I got a message. Okay. Yeah, so features really doesn't make sense to me. Well, why it is here? It should be like it. Well, it is features. I don't know the. So I don't have the users testing, so I don't really know why how they are like performing stuff in here. But now let's just go. Oh my god, another banner, full size banner for Ant-Man and Wasp. Marvel really buy wants us to buy this ticket, right? They really want us to spend this money. They are really crazy spending on a spending ad spending spree, man. So yeah, another Space for banner, two banner consecutively. I really don't. It does look good, to be honest. If this banner was a full screen, I wouldn't have minded. Or this was not in with the same size, because it really clutters the space. But what I would be I would like to have is like having these three instead of like this. I would have like on the down, and I would have half page covering this, so it would be easier, it would better place for the ad and the features as it's like suggesting. Or I would do, oh, I have a great idea, man. I would do it on ideation space. So then this feature sections have two banners with two large full width, two full two banners full width, where two full width banners with ads. I believe that's ads, or they are just promotions. Let's just do promotions. Promotions. Hold on, guys. Okay, all good. Why it's not shifting? Oh, thanks. Okay, so yeah, so two banners with promotions. Promotions. Okay, what else? Offers. I really like offers. Everyone likes offers, so let's just shift it to offers section. Offers. Okay. Offers. Why? Okay. Offers section. Oh. Okay. Well, let's just go back. And there's a new ad coming soon. Okay. So we are in the offer section. So currently they have three offers going on. Win a trip plus offer, buy a ticket for a chance to win a trip to Rome, Italy, premiere FastX, and get the tickets. Okay, so basically it's just showing three offers, and this white space, man, what are you guys doing? Okay, free unused white space. Okay, well, they are using this box model that I don't know why they are using it, but okay, whatever. So unused white space for another offer. Okay, well, they could have just extended it to the like center if there's only three offer, and And they're like, man, they are like, learn more. What does that mean? Learn more. Why do I learn more? They should use like Creed 3. NSK X Creed 3 said, enter a chance to win movie tickets to Creed 3. Learn more. They should have used more welcoming language, language or phrase instead of learn more. Well, I should actually what I should do is I should include screenshots, man. I need to have screenshots. Can I take screenshot? I think it's this. Yeah. Oh my god. Well, let's just copy this, guys. And copy. Can I paste it here? Paste. Paste. Well, it's not pasting. So go back. Go back. Okay. Well, web capture. I believe it is this one. So let's just capture this because I want screenshots, man. Copy and okay. This upper section has to go in like this and up, this. Oh, this is the same space as this. Okay, okay, and this here. What, man? Oh, it's. Oh my god, I am so dumb. Okay, delete this and backspace this and delete this. Yeah, and just go into this and okay. So this is this. Now I want this feature section, so it's control shift S or is control shift S, right? So control shift S, and I would have this two sections. Okay, copy and paste it right here. Well done. So with this I have like a space where I can like just realize what I was talking about and what's the issue and stuff like that. So let's just let me make this copy as well. Copy and my movie section and where oh okay, so all good. And this guy. Control Shift S, and let's just copy this whole thing. So, copy and paste. So all good. Now I have like a really good idea of the things that I am trying to say. Now let's go to news and new and coming soon. Okay, so new and coming soon really doesn't need to have like clear concise option, but what they could do is like I like it, it's not that bad. Let's just let me just do this. I would not do the footer because well, no one is using footer as much as no one, I believe, but whatever. Yeah, so I just shift it to here. Yeah, good. In this, I like to have same thing as the movie suggested upside, like genre should include genre, and um, it is like okay, but at least, well, as you can see, I can read 80 for Brady, right? I really can't. I can understand from the movie Shazam because I have seen the movie, but the word Shazam I really can't understand this. Quantumania I can see, but Creed 3 it's still a small one, and same with the Avatar. So need to have title movie title written. Okay, now, well, what I can include in here. One thing that I noticed is they really don't have any like genre selection. Like, why not, man? So, these are the. I'm still in the home page, and I. So this is like new. This guy is completely new thing, new information. So based on this, I like to have movies based on genre, so I can like new information needs to that we can add, and uh, that's all, like, or filter, and like, so I would like to have movie based on genre, filter, and there should be one more thing that I am thinking they should have is like, instead of genres, yeah, as you can see, they have this like movie trailers, or what's awards watch. So yeah, awarded movies, awarded movies, um, movies, or they can have movie trailers. Uh, Must watch section where curated movie trailers are showed based upon user search, really. Okay. um and the last section, I really kind of feel like it's okay, we can improve this, but so what do you guys like? Should I improve it? I think like this homepage needs really so much improvement. um what is this? A24 doesn't really focus. What else is this? Landscape, Medona, Medona, I believe, STX, UA, Universal, WB. That's I can understand. I know. Okay, so let's just reset it. Okay, what I would like. Let's just see what are the movie ticket platforms in USA. Uh, a Atom tickets. Okay, so there's this Atom tickets mode. So I really don't know. This is my first time I'm seeing this website. Oh my god! See, there's like bam. I get the attention. I like it. I like it. Movies, theaters help search movies or theaters and log in. Now playing. So yeah, this is a good thing, having a now playing. So coming soon to theaters. Good thing to do. Jesus Evolution. So as you can see, I have this buttons. I really like this button, so I can just really play. That's what I like, man. Um, um, and I can just save it. That is also a good feature to add. Can add play trailer and save movie button, and featured upcoming releases or John Wick Chapter 4 is coming. I'm really waiting for this movie, man. Feature trailer. This is what I wanted. So this is feature trailers. This is what I was talking about. This is still small, but that's okay. Nearby theaters. So it shows me nearby theater. Oh wow, atomic tickets. That's good actually. And what is Atom? Atom is an award-winning app and website that makes it easy to find new movies. How did this app get award, man? Oh my god. It is not that good. Like I can really improve this its design. I really like how they are using this box model to their advantage by using a whole, like, what should I say, like whole banner in the background and the Shazam, so it really catches the attention. I like it. And it just fades out with the dark background, and they have made it so, like, so this left side they have those characters, this right side they must be the villains, I believe, right? But I don't know. Well, whatever, but they are really clever with this thing, and Shazam is clearly visible in this thing as well, in this navigation. So very catchy. I like it, and maybe I can use it. Let's just see more options. Okay, Fandango is second option, so I think there should be an ad. It's web. This an ad. Okay, if there's a movie tickets. It's I think it's from Cinepolis USA, and live tickets banner. Okay, this one is an ad. Okay, so let's just open this one. I need to see my CPU utilization. Oh my god, it's 100%. That's okay, I believe it. I hope this is not okay. It comes down to when it's a new opening. I like uh well, see, this is what I was talking about. Rotten Tomatoes and what is this gonna say? Audience soul upright popcorn and Rotten Tomatoes. So this is what I like. So these are the driving um, decisions that should be included um, with the layout, right? Um, I really like this. Um, and opening this week, great. Coming soon. Okay, so as you can see, movietickets.com is also a Fandango website. A Fandango actually, you can see these are affiliates. Fandango affiliated company is Voodoo, Movie Clips, movietickets.com. They are affiliated with this movie tickets. My god. But they are not like upgrading their own. Okay. Now Cinepolis, I really like this. Like clear, concise buy tickets, trailer, Titanic 25th anniversary. Oh my god, wow. Um, this is Angel Figures of tickets gets ticket now every Tuesday. Cool. Wow, I didn't know. Uh, yeah. So I like this banner position. Your theater. This is also a good thing. Having posted it, I what I don't like is like they have this, the whole empty space is like generate a negative, like this is just like an eyesore for me. I don't know why it feels like it, but these guys, they have really done some work. Yeah, check show times. So see, this is what I was talking about, this player. So they, Ant-Man and the Wasp, Quantumania, the final tease, Magic Mike's Last Dance. What that But yeah, advanced tickets, so I can see this. So single page application SPA, they are not, they are using it, so they are just like switching sections without me going to a different pages. I like that. Select the location, I can just like select. This is really good, and with this I can just like scroll down. I like this clean look. I really like it. And this is what I was trying to, I just, this is something that I thought for the features thingy, is like showing video or the graphic in here and have this sort of thing, and like just having it on this complete thing is on like scroll, so I can just like click in here, one two three, or uh, like arrows, so I can just switch images and accept. I can just read stuff, and if I want I can change it on, they could be automatic like 3 5 seconds. This is what I wanted to apply to the feature section, and I like it. This is more clean bottom layout, and I like it too. Like, let's go. Oh, seed cake, let there be life. My god, nice, truly phenomenal. Okay, so this is what I wanted categories. Top tours, sports, concerts, Broadway shows. As you can see, like these are like still okay, but these are like clean designs, and it helps user to get more. I don't know how this website is rated upon, but I like it. Cinepolis is also a good place, and I would have to check its app for sure. But I'm just using website right now. Uh, so okay, I will do redesign for Fandango app as well. Okay, so we will do that too. So I believe homepage is done. This theme is gonna be a long one. Phew. So this is homepage, and okay, and now I want to go to enter. Now let's book a ticket. Okay, so now we are going to select a movie. So let's just select Ant-Man and Wasp. Everyone wants to us to buy a ticket, right? So booking a ticket. So when I click on this, so took it takes me to movie overview page of that movie. So should I call it booking a ticket section page, like process? Okay, and it should be like this, should be headline actually. Let's just do page 2. Okay, okay, now it's like the page name is movie overview page. Okay, um so as you can see, what I like about this is the poster is okay, they have the trailer, they have the ratings, and they have all the, but this white space I really don't like it, not using, they are not really using this white space, man. Okay, movie page. So um layout is 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 like um 8:4, yeah, is 8:4 grid style with a sidebar on 4 and content on 8. So basically if I divide this in 12 different grids, 8 grid would be having this content and 4 grids would be having this. That's what I'm thinking is it could be 9:3 as well, but yeah. Now what I don't like about this is movie recommendation. There is no movie recommendation. So I like this layout, but there's no movie recommendation if I want to switch to movie, or if I want to change. Also, there's this more details option, so let's just click on it. It's just like shows an excerpt, genre. See, they have this genre already. Release date, videos, cast, crews, and photos. I really don't like this section. Okay, so we can really improve this. So let's just copy, select this, and use this as is, and copy it. Okay, I like it. It's all okay, but I could have like done it more better. It still feels like small. Uh, yeah. So let's go to the next section, movie tickets, right? Um, so this does shows the location, right? This is good thing, and do I have any comments? Yeah, so this is a good thing. I can select multiple dates. That's also better. I have this address. Good. Digital 3D. It has like real 3D, the reverse reserved seating, closed captions, and all. And it clearly shows the states like these are available times because it's 3:37 p.m., 3:38 p.m. right now. So I can't book a show for 2:30 p.m. right. I can only book for these slots. So good uh, usability, and I like it. Um, there are many different timestamps, and I can just scroll down and check it. Good. I like at least this. This is good. So well, it's better, and then they have feature news, offers, and the same section as above. So what I'm gonna do is let's just book a ticket. Let's just book a ticket for 7:30 p.m. Right? So and this does shows how many distance it is from my location. So not too far. Actually, it's not just a mile from where I am living. Um, it may be like half a mile or more, about something like that. Okay, whatever. So yeah, so let's just click on this. So it opens up Google Maps. Good. What does this do? Let's just uh, real D. So very good. It has um, alert boxes. Using alert boxes to show meaning of meaning about the type of theater, should I say? I don't know. I don't know how to construct this. So really bad design. They could have just used a tooltip. There is a tooltip in HTML text, so it could just, if you just hover over it, they would just, it would have a little tooltip over here. Okay, so okay, still okay. So I'm gonna do a 7:30 p.m. click. I wanted to know what that was. Okay, so okay, now it's shifting me to a different page. Hmm. Okay. Um. Let's just note this. I don't want to get off right now. So, uh, I'm shifting to a different page. Okay. So this is a buy tickets page. Buy tickets page. The flow works like, first you have to like you have to write reserved seats, auditorium time, and so let me just click this here. This is still better. They are. This is still better. Real 3D is a new generation of entertainment. Right? Okay. So good. Um. So buy tickets page. It has asked for number of tickets. Um, Based upon ages, age category, like adult, senior, and child. Okay, this can literally be used. A valid ID may be required for theater admittance. This is what I was talking about, man. If you have just put this icon over here, that's all you had to do. Okay, so good. Okay, so let's just do like 2 tickets. Okay, so it really shows R-rated age policy for R-rated movies only. Guest under 17 must be accompanied by a guardian who is 20-year-old. So it is R-rated movie. Please be prepared to show ID at the theater. So it is not an R-rated movie as it shows PG-13. So that's good. So let's just go next. Right. Section 2. Okay, this is now. Now let's just imagine this is 7:30 p.m. show and I have this many seats available. Imagine if I really did not have many seats, or if I had a family. Okay, so what would I do? Okay, so let's just go to child. Takes to next page and shows. I should have took a screenshot of it. Okay, shows screen, seating area. Okay, that's okay. Seat card, let's just open it. Available, unavailable, selected, and accessible. See, like I could really. This is still explainable. Like these are explanatory, self-explanatory. But these, like clicking it here, it is not required. I could have just used now. Well, there's one more information that I would need to add. So let's just take this whole thing and copy it and paste it over here. So I know. Okay. Okay. So this is good. Let's just say I would want the center. Next. Okay, now one number of tickets to adult my seats get $5 more for Fandango. Guest checkout, create account, and fees. Huh. This is really not a good thing. Let's just say if I realize that there's too much money for me, I would have to go back and get a new seat, or let's just say I want to change the seat. Well, there is a what? Change my seats. What? What is it? Can I? What the hell? Okay, I cannot change my seat. So Cannot, can't change the seats. Okay, let's go back. I would have to go back every time. This is like summary page, so let's just do a summary page checkout as well. So I know what's the process is like, right? I do want to, um, after I'm done with this, it would be so good. Summary page. This is well, okay, whatever. I just want to add this page photo. I would like to change so many stuff in here. We could really boost this speed up. Let's just go back. Let's just do a gas checkout. Okay, well, go back, go back, man. Free. Oh, go back again. Do I have to go back? Oh my god, this is really suffocating. Okay, again. 7:30 p.m. Oh my god. Okay. See this, I wanted to have this. What I could do before even like going here, ask for number of tickets based upon each category, like this. Is this? Here. Okay, good. So yeah, this is all good. Go back. Right. What I could do, possibly do is I could have just like open up a frame. Let's just say I am going for like 10 peoples. As it says, it doesn't say I only can book 9 up to 9. First thing. Second thing, let me just write this down. Okay, so this is like generally the main thing about it. I got the gist of it. So we will be redesigning it. Okay, now I have um I haven't used search function, so let's just use search function. Okay, so this is okay. Showtime near. Oh wow. Let me just have this. I'm hungry. Mm. Let me just have this as well. So I can like search function, copy. Um, let's just do at the end of the page. Search function. Okay, so I think everything is done. What about theaters? Okay, okay. So this is special. This space is for ads. I get that. I like how they have used this, and I like this. But we will not be doing this on based on theaters. Yeah. Let's just work on. I have so many ideas right now, and I will like to do this on a short stream. It has already been an hour and a half. For the heuristic evaluation, it generally takes about 2 hours to 3 hours, going on all the pages and stuff like that. But yeah, I believe I am done with the heuristic evaluation, and I am done with the notes. What I will be doing now is, with this notion is done, I would just close this up, and I would just close this guy as well. I close this. I have this brand guideline, so I need to get this fonts. Times Roman should be okay. I need to see if I have Proxima, was it? Proxima Nova? Where did do they body copy? Proxima Nova bold. They use it at tertiary headlines and no regular. Oh my god. Typography. This is primary typography? Oh my god. Okay. Proxima Nova font. Let's see if it is. Okay, so it is available with my Adobe suite. So, okay, I can download it. Essential pack. What does? Okay, right now free font. Okay, okay, download free. I am just using this for education purposes only, and I would like to download it, but this is ad. This open file. SSV. How many fonts do they have? Let me see. Alt, black, bold, extra thin, and regular. Okay, okay. So how many do I need? Let's just see. I just need regular, Proxima Nova bold, or Proxima Nova. I just need bold, regular. Just two. But I'm just gonna install all of them actually. So let's just put this here. Install. So 8 fonts. Proxima Nova is done. Do I have any times? I don't know. Alternate Gothic #1 headlines. Okay, so they are using alternate Gothic. I was confused, like why I see a different font. So yeah, that's fine. So let's just search for alternate Gothic font, and can I download? Okay, alternate Gothic. I can download it, right? I hope so. Yeah, I probably can download. Okay, so I'm gonna download this. As you guys can see, I have this hand is my hand is like broken, like not broken, just stuck. Close this off. You see, they showed ads like this, so people click on it and they get viruses. You would have to make sure that you are not. That's actually the benefit of bad design. I shouldn't say this, but that is actually true. But so let me install this as well. Alternate Gothic number one 2D, 3D. So install. So all this done. I hope I can live up to the expectations. Um, Figma I haven't used that for a while because I'm saying this. See this like I really like this how this colorful effects like and this just shows like comedy shows, music shows, kids zone, staff ed, and like workshops and more. Wow, this is like just like meaningful explanation, esports centers, upskill training events. Like this is how it should be. So like we will be doing this on this brand guideline. So I know we have to make it. So I have this Figma open. This is heuristic evaluation. Um, Before this, I need to make um, brand guide GUI lines page. So that's what I would like to guidelines. What I like to do is make all the things that you require in one guideline, so that you would not have to uh, like where the hell is okay. So I have this different sorts of logos with me, so I will be mainly using this just one logo because it's like really big brand guideline. Where's this? Okay, yeah, this one. On page 16. Can I import this page? Actually, I'm thinking. Okay, whatever. I will just do a Google search. Google.com and like I would like it's so hot in here. I would like to adjust the temperature. Hold on, guys. Okay, I believe you guys might be hearing this. Oh yeah. Well, it was too hot in here, and I had to open this window up. Okay. So yeah, what were we doing? We were going to build the brand guidelines, right? So let's just do the brand guidelines. So what does it say? We need Fandango logo, right? So Fandango logo, okay, and go to images and just download the one that's like highest size. Can I? Oh, it's man, Google Fandango logo images, and I want this one. These are like quite big. Like I will just do the copy image and I will just paste it over here. It is here now, and okay, I am like, I think I am too. It's so small. Oh, is it from the same thing? Can I just like drag and drop? Well, it doesn't let me. So open image in new tab. Can I? Oh, so it's that small. That is why. So let's just do this one. Oh well, that's a big one. Copy image, um, and, and this, and paste it. Good. I have this. Okay. Now can I convert this into the like vector? Okay, my food is here, guys. Okay. Um. Hmm. Avocado toast is good for health. Okay. Let me have this. Hmm. So. Vector. Sorry. So this is vectorized plugin from Figma. I don't know which website, which companies is using things. So I'm just converting this into a um, vector file, so I can like play around and do stuff like that, right? When I'm really hungry. This is homemade avocado toast, guys. Really good. While it's running, we can just go over here and just have a chat. I know that no one is watching right now. That's okay. I'm just documenting it myself. That's why I don't care what is happening in this stream, right? One day I will look back to the stream and laugh. A lot. Wow, it's taking its sweet time, right? Well, by the time it's done, I will be finished having my toast. I don't think this one about. I think it's stuck. I hope this works, man. Or otherwise, I would have to open Photoshop or oh no, Illustrator and do the tracing. Well, it shouldn't take too much of time. Uh, so what I will do is I will create a component for like all the headlines and stuff like that. So while it's doing its thing, so let's just zoom out and let's just do a text. So headline. Okay, so for headlines, I want the font. What's the font called? Okay. Typography. Where is it? Okay, typography is Proxima Nova for body. And bold for tertiary headlines. Okay, so H3 I believe. H2 would be Times New Roman italic. Always title case equals approx half the height of the primary type page. Okay, so Times New Roman italic. Okay, so headline is always uppercase. Okay, alternate crossing number 1 headlines. That will be it. So alternate. Do I have alternate? Oh my god! What? There's no alternate Gothic? Or should I just restart this? Maybe I should. Okay, so let's just close this off and start Figma again. Figma. Okay. I hope it loads up the fonts. Okay, let's okay, alternate crossing number 1. Okay, so it should be around how much like let's just do 68. 68 should be fine, right? And it should be always So I will just okay, let me just I really forgot it. Where is it? Here. um, Desktop, uh, website, typography, size guide. I really am curious. While it's impossible to provide a one-fits-all solution for the font size, a general rule of thumb is for desktop use 16px font for higher or higher for body text. Not it's not too big. Okay. Um. Okay. Well, it's really fast. Yeah, that's what I want. My design stack. Let's go. Okay. Well, pixels, fonts. I really don't like. I get that, but 48%. Hmm. I don't like perfect fit. Fourth. Augmented fourth. Oh, oh my god. Fifth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Major third is good. Base size. Google Fonts. Gothic. Does it alter? Let's just say if it is does it alter. Right, no, it doesn't. So well, let's just go Gothic. Right. It should have some resemblance to it. Wait, yeah, 400 should be nice. Visual type scale. Yeah. Um, Major third. Well, it should be. I like the perfect food. It's okay. 68. That's what I was hoping for. Um, 2 because it is still visible. 1 RAM. Um, how much? Base is like let's do 18. Maybe 18 should be enough, and I should do major third because body type should not be too much of a text, but well, you see, there's not much space in here, so I can really not understand if it's okay for the design. I think it should be okay. 16, 20, 25, 32, 40, and 48. Let's just do, yeah, let's just do this. Uh, 16, 22, 29, 38, 51, and 68. That's what I am going for. Yeah, let's just go. So it's 68 for alternate clothing one. So this is like H1. Oh, new style. Name is Fandango H1 and change style. So I have this H1 guideline. And I have to go to this guideline. Okay. Um, this is all caps. Okay, subheadlines can be Times New Roman italic. So let's just do one more. Okay, it should be white. see. It should be T space. I don't want it. I want times New Roman. It should be italic, and it's a subheadline, right? This one. Subheadlines: human voice-driven copy. Um, so always title case, okay, equals approx half the size into half the height, half the height of the primary text. So it's 68, so it should be around 34. So let's just do 34 and make it title case. Okay, yeah, title case. And this is sub headline. Okay, Fandango. So let's just make this style sub headline. Fandango sub dash. Okay. Now what I want is Gothic is done, Times New Roman is done, Proxima Nova, tertiary headlines, and primary for body copy, right? Proxima Nova regular. Okay. So it's H1 68. So let's just do one more H2 for about 52. Was it 52? Yeah, it should be 52. Where is it? Yeah, 51 actually. So it should be on link and 51, and it should be a new text, right? Fandango underscore H2. I know I haven't done for the H1, so I will update it later. This is subheadline. I think H2 or subheadline is almost the same. It looks almost the same. I don't know. This is a H1 a 68 and this one is 34. These two, if you compare it by height wise, let's just do not almost the same, but this, well, there is a substantial difference if you say so. Well, yeah, so that's H3. Okay. uh, what did I do for this? Edit cell, this H3 or sub headline. Okay. H1, H2, H3. Okay. And now we need to create H4. I don't think so we need H4 to be honest, but let's make one more just in case. The H4 should be 38 is done. Actually I should do it 38, 28, 21 and body. So now let's just 28, 20, 29. So this is the fourth one. I should do not 34, as I know it's saying it should be half the size. Let's just do 38, so it kind of makes sense. To the new cell, show more options. Okay, well, this, but I want to edit it actually, so let's just edit cell, and let's do it 38. Okay, so all good. Right now I need to make it h1, h2, h3. Let's do h4. Okay, so this should be 29, right? Yeah, but 29 doesn't look good, so we need to change it to the Proxima Nova, and yeah, 29, and it should be around, not title case, uppercase, lowercase, title case, uh, S typed. Yes, it should be. So mm, this is H1, H2, H3. This is for headline Fandango, H4, yeah, and create style, and well, it it would seem small for me because I am viewing this thing on full HD monitor, and I have 4K monitor as well. So this headline seems small to me. I don't know why, or maybe I'm just zoomed out. I should just, yeah, I should do it 200% actually. You know, yeah. Okay, now it's pretty clear. Uh, Now H4 is done. Let's just do body. Let's just do one more. That's 28, 29 is done. Like this is 22 and 16. So I mean, there was some bold thing as well, like tertiary headline. So okay, so this tertiary headline should be bold. Okay, H4. Oh, well, let's just do H4, and let's just do H4 edited, and this is good, but I need bold one, and this is done. So this is H4, and H4, and now what we need is what actually? 28. It should be 22, and one should be 16. I will just distribute this. Left and distribute vertically. So all good. So I have H1, H2, H3, H4. This is my body, and this is 60. This is body actually, right? Um, so I don't know the background is picking up or not. I could just like slow down the gain. I hope this works. And just increase the sound of the stream. Oh, let me just listen to it. Hold up, guys. sounds good. Yeah, it's better actually. So all good. Um, let me just charge my mobile for a while. It has been it's- right. Okay, now it's 16. So this is body. So let's just make it to body. Fandango underscore body style, and this one is H4, and this one is a new cell. Fandango underscore H5. H5. Should I just H5? What should I do? Let's just do H5. Okay, so right for me. Okay. I believe this is no dude. My God, going to be so mad. But whatever, I will just make articles. Um, let's just duplicate it. I would have a square of Fandango. So let's just crop. Okay, crop this. I hope this is good. And let's just crop this as well. Well, for this, I just really need to do this. And crop. I have two logos now, and this should be group. I should create this as auto size, and so okay guys, I am gonna stop the stream for a while and get back to you soon.